Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenya, and by the title you must have already guessed guys what I'm going to share in today's video. So today's video is dedicated to all the Indian skincare brand guys. I was never aware that मैं इतने सारे skincare brand use कर रही हूँ, and some of the जो products है they have sent me by a PR, like brands have sent me. And we all should go. It's been so much in the air right now that we should go, like it should be like vocal for local. So yeah, I'm also using all the Indian brands right now guys, and I am super happy that I'm using all these brands. So I'm not going to talk much guys, I'm quickly going to dive into the video. Also guys, these all brands which I'm going to talk about, I have used their products in person, so like I know how they work on my skin. My first brand I would like to talk about is Mamaearth. There are a bunch of products which I have used from this brand, and I have worked with them, so I know how the product is. All these products, not only Mamaearth, but all of these products are paraben sulfate free. So yes, you can definitely check these products. They are like pure products guys. So Mamaearth is one of the brands, and this is one of the brands which has recently acquired the Indian market and is really doing well guys. So I would highly recommend that you guys check this out. My second product is M Caffeine. I have worked with M Caffeine too, and I really liked their this product, which is the hugely popular product, which is their M Caffeine Coffee Body Scrubber, and this really works amazingly on your body. If you are in a mood to give a little spa kind of feeling to your body while bathing, so I would highly recommend that you use this range from M Caffeine, and I really liked it guys. Next product I'm going to talk about is Dot and Key. I worked with Dot and Key like 2 years back, and I'm still using their products. So one is this is one of the product which is their tan facial clay mask. You know how much clay is important for your skin. And the other thing I really love it, this is their knee and elbow serum guys. So I really like we have the patchy elbows and knees, so you can definitely go ahead and check this product out, and this is really amazing one guys. My next take is on a very favorite product of mine. This is an under eye cream, and the brand name is Neemly guys. I have recently started working with them, and I really loved their under eye cream. The next product I'm going to talk about is again a very popular product guys. These are the two face washes which I am using from this brand, Himalaya guys. Himalaya is such a popular brand in India, not only recently, but it's been acquiring the Indian market since a very long time. And yes, I really do not have to talk a lot about this product because you all know how good Himalaya's face wash, specifically the neem face wash, it actually works so wonderful on your skin. My next product and the brand I'm going to talk about is recently I've started collaborating with them, and this is the Plum guys. So I have this product since I guess 6-7 months I've been using. This is their night cream which I am using, and you can just trust on this guys. This is one of the best products I would say among all the categories. Like all are my favorite, but if I want to pick one, I have to pick one. I'm going to pick Mamaearth and Plum guys, and this is their complete tea tree range which I have used, so you can literally trust on this guys. So big thumbs up for all these brands, and these are all Indian skincare brand guys, so do give it a try. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any doubts or any comments, please let me know in the comment section below. I will be happy to answer you all. Till then, take care guys. I'm going to see you soon.